All right. Hello, Mr. Spence.
Good afternoon, Mr. McBurney.
Good. It's still morning. We got a few more minutes. So good morning to you. How are you doing?
I could be doing better.
Okay. Well, I'm hoping that we're going to bring to a close a real long chapter for you. You've been in jail for a long time, been stuck a little bit because we couldn't get a lawyer for you. Mr. Bastian has very helpfully gotten involved as your counsel. And I think you're ready to enter a plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's going to happen in just a moment is that Mr. Peoples is going to put you under oath and he's going to ask you some questions about your case. I need you to answer those questions truthfully. And if you have questions about anything because you can't hear it or it doesn't make sense, whatever it is, let your lawyer or me know so we can help you out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Peoples.
Thank you, Your Honor. Will you raise your right hand? Solemnly swear the testimony you give in the proceedings before you today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Restate your true, correct, and legal name.
Terry Spence,
Can you spell it for the record?
TERRYSPENCE.
Thank you. Now, are you now under the influence of drugs, medication, or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is there a medication that you normally take that you have not been given?
No, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Peoples, please adjust the microphone.
Are you able to hear me?
Much better, thank you.
Thank you. I'll sit a little closer. I'll ask it again. Is there a medication that you normally take that you have not been given today?
No, sir.
And how far did you go in school?
12.
Are you able to read, write, and fully understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
So you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you had the opportunity to review the document that charged you in this case, which was the indictment?
Yes, sir.
Do you fully understand the nature of the charges that are pending against you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty today that there are certain rights that you give up, which include the right to a trial by jury, the right to be presumed innocent, the right to confront the witnesses against you, the right to subpoena any witnesses for your defense, the right to testify yourself and to offer any other evidence in your defense, the right to have an attorney to assist you throughout the trial proceedings, and the right not to incriminate yourself? Do you understand all these rights?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if you were to plead not guilty or remain silent and enter no plea at all, that the state would be required to have a trial on these charges by jury?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're charged with the following offenses. Count 1, aggravated assault, which carries a sentence range of 1 to 20 years. Aggravated battery, which carries a sentence range of 1 to 20 years. Battery, substantial physical harm, which carries a sentence range of 1 day up to 12 months. And misdemeanor obstruction of law enforcement officer, which carries a sentence range of 1 day up to 12 months. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that this is a negotiated plea of guilty, which means that the recommendation of the state and the defense will be a sentence of, Your Honor, we would be asking for a sentence of 10 years to serve 3, the balance on probation, completion of an anger management course, and a stay away. I believe that Mr. Spence has already spent well over 1,000 days in confinement already. You understand that the court is not required, also, Your Honor, completion of an anger management course.
You mentioned that.
And stay away from the victim as well.
Yep.
Do you understand that the court is not required to follow that recommendation, but can sentence you up to the maximum sentence permitted by law?
Yes, sir.
Should the court's sentence include a period of probation, you will be required to obey both the general conditions of probation and special conditions of probation. You'll be required to follow the general conditions of probation that probation will give to you when you meet with them, including but not limited to that you are not to violate the criminal laws of any governmental unit. Do you understand that a violation of any special condition of probation could lead to a revocation of your probation?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering your plea of guilty with an understanding of everything that we've just talked about?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone used any force, threats, or promises which has caused you to enter this guilty plea against your will?
No, sir.
Are you satisfied with what your attorney has done for you in this case?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any more questions for your attorney before we move on?
No, sir.
Have you understood everything that I've asked you so far?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of your rights, do you wish to enter a guilty plea to these charges today?
Yes, sir.
Did you in fact commit the offenses to which you're now pleading guilty?
Yes, sir.
Are the facts? Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If you wish to challenge this plea for legal error, you may do so in one of two ways. Your lawyer can explain to you what these ways are and how they work, but I must advise you of some time limits. The first way is a direct appeal in which you have 30 days from today's date, from the date of the sentence to file this appeal. And the second way is a habeas corpus petition in which you have 4 years for felonies and 12 months for misdemeanors to file. Do you understand these time limits?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if this had proceeded to trial, the state would have expected to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that on July 5th of 2020, law enforcement responded to 990 Piedmont Avenue Northeast in Atlanta in Fulton County in regards to a person stabbed. Upon arrival, they met with the victim, Bryant, B-R-Y-A-N-T, Newkirk, Newkirt, who had a laceration to the left side of his upper back. When asked who had stabbed him, he pointed at the arrestee, Mr. Terry Spence, who was being detained by a security officer. Law enforcement informed him that an ambulance was en route to render aid. They spoke with the officer who stated that Mr. Spence had confessed to stabbing him on body camera footage. Counsel, do you stipulate there's a factual basis for this plea?
I do.
Your Honor, we've attempted to make make contact with Mr. Newkirk several times, but have been unable to do so. I believe that he may be unhoused, but we were unable to make contact with him.
Okay. Ms. Hardy, do you have any criminal history information on Mr. Spence?
Yes, this defendant is a multi-state offender with arrests out of Georgia, New Hampshire, Florida, North Carolina. 2003, a felony conviction for aggravated assault. Another one in 2007. 2010, obstruction of law enforcement. 2010, financial card transaction fraud. 2010, aggravated assault and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. 2016, theft of lost or mislaid items. 2017, theft by taking. 2 FTAs and 4 probation violations. Nothing further to add.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Tucson, is Mr. Spence on active probation on any of those cases we just heard about?
Can you hear me this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He is not. It ended in March.
In March. Okay, he basically served out his probation while in custody on these charges.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Bastian.
Yes, Your Honor. Met with Mr. Spence on several occasions, had negotiations. I can see that, well, I didn't know him before, but from what I've seen that the 3 years this time has changed him and made him think a lot. He's serving as counsel to many people, and he's anchored many bruises and stuff that he didn't want to, but still stayed away because he knew that that would cause him problems, including this arm here that he has. So I recommend that I'm asking the court to accept the negotiations so that he may be able to take this new chapter in his life and we may never see him in this situation again.
All right. So, Mr. Spence, your criminal history is a little concerning. Sounds like you've had a few aggravated assault convictions before, and here we are again. Tell me what you think is going to be different when you get out.
Oh, I have to say something else. That
Sure.
And he claims that you knew about it because he said that on that day, he's very sorry that he was not on his meds and that he had a lot of things going. and his daughter was also killed right before that. So there was a lot
Yeah.
going on, and that he's hopeful that this is not going to happen again for those reasons.
Okay. Mr. Spence, when you get, it's been a while since you've been out. Do you have a place to stay?
Yes.
And where is that?
I'm gonna be staying with my daughter temporary.
Okay.
She lives in Sandy Springs.
Okay. And she knows you're getting out soon?
She's gonna be happy.
Okay. And she's going to let you stay there at least initially.
Matter of fact, she's gonna be at the jail.
Okay. All right. Tell me what medication you take that helps you not have situations like this happen.
I take Effection, Respidol, and Remrons.
And tell me what diagnosis they help you with.
Bipolar, schizophrenia, PTSD, borderline personality disorder, ADHD.
Okay. Have you been getting medications like that, either those exactly or
Exactly.
similar ones while you've been in jail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does your daughter know, you say you're staying with your daughter?
Yes, sir.
Does your daughter know about the medications you need to take?
Yes, because I'm connected with Mercy Mobile.
Okay. Because, my next question is going to be, how do we make sure they may give you a few when you leave? The jail
Yeah.
usually generously gives you a few, but I need to make sure you're plugging in with a new prescription. Your daughter's going to help you with that?
Yeah, my daughter's gonna take me down on Mercy Care, and they're gonna get me all the medications I need.
Okay. All right. Do you have any questions about anything we discussed?
No, sir.
All right. Mr. Peoples, I believe from hearing your factual recitation and my review of the indictment that count 1 merges into count 2. The aggravated assault would merge into the aggravated battery. It's the same incident. And I think all the elements of the aggravated assault fold into the aggravated battery. And any disagreement with that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. I assume you have no issue with that, Mr. Bastian?
None at all.
Okay.
I was thinking about that. No, I'm just kidding.
So, Mr. Spence, I find there's a factual basis for your plea, and also that your plea is knowing and voluntary. Voluntary means no one's forcing you to do this, and knowing means you've understood the things we talked about. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You initialed next to a whole bunch of lines here with your lawyer's help using a purple pen, indicating that you did understand everything. Is this your signature on the 4th page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you had a chance to talk about it with your lawyer?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Bastian, you signed it as well on the final page.
I did, Your Honor.
Okay.
I felt like he understood.
Good. I'll make that a part of the record. I'm sentencing you pursuant to the Probation Options Management Act. And all that means is that while you're on probation, if you have a small problem, you and probation will sort that out. If it's a big problem, you get arrested again, you get off your medications, that's going to come back to me. Yes, sir.
I go to classes as well for anger management. Someone Cares on Forsyth Street, 236 Forsyth Street. It's called Someone Cares.
Okay.
So I've been connected with them before.
Good. Well, I want you to keep doing something like that.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Bastian, may my staff sign the indictment on your behalf indicating your client's guilty plea?
Yes, that may.
Mr. Peoples?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it okay, Mr. Spence, if we sign it for you? The indictment's back there and we just have
Yes, sir.
people do the signing. Great. Well, Mr. Spence, count 1 merges into count 2. So you'll only have a sentence for count 2 of the felonies. And I will sentence you to 10 years to serve 3 years with the balance probated. You will get credit for all the time you've been in. You've been in for more than 3 years. So you ought to get out. If not today, then tomorrow. If it's Friday and you're still in, you call Mr. Bastian. He'll let me know and I'll reach out to the sheriff's folks to say, get this guy out. Okay?
Okay.
So it may not happen today, should happen tomorrow. For counts 3 and 4, I'm sentencing you to 12 months to serve. Those will run concurrently at the same time with count 2. So the total sentence is exactly what your lawyer negotiated, 10 served 3, balance probated. You're going to need to stay away from 990 Piedmont. That's the intersection of 10th and Piedmont. There's some restaurants there. It's kind of near Piedmont Park. Don't be around there, okay?
Okay.
You'll also need to have no contact with Mr. Newkirk I think he's a stranger to you, but I don't know, maybe you knew him. He needs to be a stranger to you now. Leave him alone. It will be a special condition of your probation that you take all medications that a doctor prescribes. You don't pick your own drugs, but if a doctor says take Remeron, you take Remeron, okay? And if you're not, that's going to get you sideways with probation. I'm going to ask probation to assign you a mental health probation officer, someone who's particularly fluent in making sure you've got your medication, maybe you're going to classes, things like that. And it sounds like you're already doing anger management courses at the place you mentioned, so I won't make that a requirement. You just keep doing that. Mr. Peoples, was there anything else in Mr. Spence's case?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Bastian?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Tucson, do you have questions for Mr. Spence about where he's going to be living? Ms. Tucson's with probation, so she's going to need to get your daughter's address.
Yes, I'll need a phone number and an address.
Okay.
It's in my property. Yeah.
Okay,
I got it on hand.
okay, can you get that to me? He says it's in his property at the jail.
The address, or you don't know the address?
Not off the hand.
Okay. Ms. Tucson, tell me not why, I know why you want an address. So how should we handle this? Mr. Spence doesn't know the address other than that it's in Sandy Springs.
Do you have a good phone number where I can call your sister?
I have two numbers.
Okay,
My own. They connect my own phone number.
go ahead.
Um,
Tell me.
I don't
We'll need to know who you live with anyways.
know.
I think I might have.
You can put that one, and that one.
Okay, I'm gonna give you, Ms. Toussaint, I'm gonna give you three numbers. They all work. One for him and one is for his daughter. He's hoping to reconnect this phone. 404-398-2333.
And whose number is this?
This is his number.
Yeah, I know some.
And then the other's number is
Two.
404, is that a 4?
849
849
4936.
4936. And there's another alternate number, that's another one that the daughter has, which is 470-585-0095.
And this is where you will be living with your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is her name?
Rebecca.
Is it Spencer?
Same last name?
No, Rebecca Ann Griffin Taylor Spence.
Rebecca Ann Griffin Taylor Spencer. Did I get it right?
Yeah.
But the last name is Spence?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and that's 404-585-0095 for her.
Yes, ma'am. Is there a number that you want me to give to him to contact you? Or there's,
For probation?
yes,
Yes, in Sandy Springs, is that Fulton County?
yes.
Yes, it is, okay.
Because I usually tell them if they don't hear within a certain time to call that number.
Right. So, Mr. Spence, when you get out, you're going to hug your daughter, you're going to be happy, but pretty soon you need to make sure you connect with probation. And by pretty soon, I mean within the first few days you're out.
Within 48 hours.
There you go. By the end, if you get out tomorrow, it really should be by Friday. Hopefully you've called them or they've called you. So Mr. Bastian is going to get you a phone number that you should call. If it's Friday lunchtime and you haven't heard from probation, hey, it's me, Mr. Spence. What do I need to do?
Yes, just call, because they do intake now where they call and set up first. So if you call first, that will be good. The phone number is 404-463-0410.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. And I will call your sister for the address. I mean, your daughter.
Sounds good. Mr. Spence, good luck out there. Stay on those medications. it's going to just get more complicated for you if something like this happens again, okay? You've been in jail for a long time. I hope that you appreciate being on the outside. All right, take care.